I'm about to head out for my evening plans and still have to style my hair, so tonight I'm going to go with my 90 Proof Pomade by Blind Barber. This used to be my go-to pomade when I was a brand ambassador and social media model for Express for several years because it has a really nice hold, a natural matte finish, and is really easy to use. I'm going to style it using my usual process, which involves wetting my hair, towel drying it, leaving it a little bit damp, and then applying the pomade. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Just gonna scoop a little bit out like this. It's very, very soft and malleable, but it still has a very nice hold. Now I'm gonna work it between my fingers, putting it on my inner knuckles like this, and then putting it between the webs of my fingers. As you can see, this pomade spreads really fast and gets into the webs of the fingers really easily, so now all I have to do is start applying it directly to my roots. Pulling a little bit upwards and to the side. And there you have it. In just a couple minutes, my hair is nice and styled and I'm ready to head out. So if you're looking for a great pomade that works fast and you can use when you're in a rush like me and is retired social media model approved, then pick up some of this Blind Barber 90 Proof Pomade for yourself today and you're gonna be set.